Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drink Ensure powder. Mix 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water, stir or shake until fully dissolved, then add ice or milk for flavor. Sip slowly, checking temperature and tolerance, and stop if you feel discomfort. Store powder in a cool, dry place with lid tightly sealed. Try a half scoop at first if you worry about sweetness, and consider blending with banana or peanut butter for calories. Start by measuring the scoop from the can and level it off to avoid extra calories. Use 8 ounces of cold water or milk and pour into a bottle or shaker. Add the powder, secure the lid, and shake for 20-30 seconds until smooth. Taste and adjust with more liquid for thinner texture or add ice for chill. Drink slowly between meals or as directed by a healthcare provider. Always monitor how your body responds. Watch for allergies or lactose sensitivity and stop if you notice rash, bloating, or stomach pain. Count calories. A typical serving can be around 220 calories, so track against your daily needs. If using for meal replacement, aim for balanced additions like fruit, nut butter, or oats for fiber. Keep a consistent routine and consult a dietitian if you have diabetes or special nutritional needs. Also hydrate well throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.